Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am back with another self-improvement and motivating video that will help you polish yourself. Are you someone who is not working on your goals and only talking about them? If so, then you have come to the right place. In this video, I will tell you how to take action and make the goal happen. So, let us just dive into the video. Stop talking. We all talk a lot about our objectives and goals. We'll be seated in a random gathering, and for conversation, we'll tell others about our future aspirations and accomplishments. There is one thing you should never do: you should never tell random individuals about your goals. Stop informing everyone about every element of your life. They don't deserve it and aren't worth it. You're probably wondering how you're going to keep your mouth shut now. It's not that tough. Simply don't discuss your ambitions with individuals you don't know well. Talk with them about things that aren't related to your plans. The topic might be anything. Stop procrastinating, just do it. We delay on everything, and sometimes we don't even aware we aren't working on our life objectives because we are procrastinating on everything. That's where both I and you go wrong. When you have refrained from telling people your aims, then you should also stop procrastinating. Don't think that I will have so much life and time to do this because, my friends, life is very short. It will be over in a blink of an eye. There are thousands of people in the graveyard who had ambitions and they thought that they had time, but in reality, they didn't. So instead of delaying or postponing your goals, start working on them. Plan what are you going to do with your life, what ambitions you have, and how are you going to achieve them. Work hard on them and make it happen. 3. Plan and act upon it. Plan the things you wish to pursue, since planning may help you sort things out. You'll know what you're going to accomplish first and how time-consuming it will be. When you've planned everything, make sure to include milestones and time constraints. This way, you'll be aware of the entire procedure and its expected time frame. Everything you have planned doesn't need to happen in the same way, but this will give you an idea of how your objective might be achieved. You will need to devote a significant amount of time and effort to your ambitions. Nobody will achieve anything by simply sitting and chatting or thinking about it. You will have to put in a lot of effort to live the life you desire. Nobody is advising you to rush, since this might make the chores more difficult. Take little steps and do tasks one at a time. Follow through on the milestones and planning. Give your time and attention to your desire, and you will undoubtedly get a positive result. It's tough not to tell others about your plans for the future, but simply talking about it won't get you anywhere. You'll have to work on it, and only then will you be capable of achieving your aims. So, friends, I have explained how can you make things happen and leave laziness and procrastination. You will only achieve your goals if you are extremely dedicated and just don't blabber about your plans. I hope that you guys liked today's video. Please subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. I will be back with another video. Goodbye.